Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We are at episode 8. Today we're making the chicken stir-fry tacos. It's gonna take 15 minutes, which is awesome because it's pretty quick. And then it's a lot higher in calories. It's 830 calories for 3 tacos. So let's get started with the unboxing. So first we have the chicken breast strips. They're like little chicken tenders. We have 2 packs. And then got 2 packs of mayonnaise, 2 packs of shredded cabbage, some cilantro, 2 little boxes, crispy fried onions, 2 packets, some tortillas, 2 carrots, rice wine vinegar, 2 packets, some sriracha. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Sriracha, that. And then this is, what is this? This is sweet soy glaze. Okay, so, oh wait, that's my compost bag. First step is the usual. We're gonna wash the veggies and prepare them. These are already ready, so I'm just gonna wash them and throw them in a bowl, or let them drain and then throw them in a bowl. The carrots, we're gonna peel them and then grate them. And then we're gonna roughly tear up the cilantro. We're not gonna like chop it or dice it or mince it or anything like that. So, stand by. We're going to use my mandolin slicer. It has like a little attachment for the grater, thanks to my cousin who bought this for me. This is going in a slaw, so it doesn't really matter the thickness or whatever. So, now we're gonna tear up the cilantro. Throw away the stems. Okay, step 2, we're gonna make the slaw, so we're going to add the grated carrots. Okay. Then the shredded cabbage. Half the cilantro. Turn it a little bit more. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then the vinegar. Both packs. And it requires a little bit of salt, but I'll put that in later. So just mix it all up together and toss it like you would toss a salad. Make sure everything is combined. Get the sugar as dissolved as you possibly can. Since I'm doing it with my hands, I can feel the granulated particles, so hopefully they'll dissolve shortly. That to the side. I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll go to step 3. So now we're going to work on the chicken. So once again, we're gonna open these packets and pat them dry, season them with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna fry them. So they're not even chicken tenders, they're like little chicken nuggets. Look, see, super tiny. This is gonna be a little bit difficult. Ah. Guys, remember when handling chicken, raw chicken, make sure you wash your hands before, you wash your hands after, you wash anything that you touched with chicken juice on it. Salmonella is no joke. So just take precaution. So we're heating the pan to medium-high heat, or on medium-high heat. I put about a teaspoon of oil in here. Heat it up. So you're gonna cook this for 4 to 6 minutes until browned and cooked all the way through. And then we're gonna add the sweet soy sauce or soy glaze. So while that's cooking, we're gonna do 2 different kinds of spicy mayonnaise. So the first kind came with HelloFresh. It's gonna be 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. There's no brand. And I believe it's, what is it? It's 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of sriracha. So we're gonna put this in this little container. Okay. Now, 2 teaspoons of sriracha. These are super cute, the little packets. They look like little bottles. And then for mine, I'm using 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of tapatio hot sauce. And let's see which one's better. Let's mix it all up. Now, I'm not gonna taste it outright like that because I don't like mayonnaise. It's very oily. And you can actually taste the oil, but I will put it in my tacos and then try it all combined like that. So this is the sriracha. I cannot say that. Sriracha? Sriracha. This is the sriracha. And then this one on the left is going to be the tapatio. So right away, I can tell the difference. The spicy mayonnaise with the tapatio is darker than the one with the sriracha. It looks a lot more orange. And then this one, the sriracha one, smells more like chili, like a jalapeno or maybe a serrano pepper. And this one just smells more acidic, the one with the tapatio. So we'll see about that. Now for the tortillas, I'm a little apprehensive about these because the instructions say to put them in a damp paper towel and put them in the microwave. As a Latina, we've never done that. I normally make them on the cast iron skillet. So I'm gonna try one in the microwave and one packet on the skillet and see what the difference is. So here's my damp paper towel. And let's throw these. There's These are super tiny. One, also folded, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are gonna go in for 30 seconds in the microwave, and then we'll see. Okay, now these I'm gonna put on the skillet. It's already heated up. 2 at a, maybe 3 at a time. The chicken is nice and golden brown. So now I'm gonna throw in the soy glaze. You're gonna cook this for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is coated and the sauce thickens even more than it already is. Ooh. It smells like soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar. Kind of smells like sweet and sour chicken, if you've ever had that. Flip these. Okay, that's evenly coated. I'm just gonna let it cook for like 1 or 2 minutes and then finish off the tortillas. And then we need to drain this so we can put it in the tacos, but it's not all drippy. Okay, so let's check on the tortillas. They're like minimally warm, but they're pliable. You can smell the artificial, commercially made on this thing. Definitely not how my mama makes them. I'm gonna throw them in for 30 more seconds. Let's check on the chicken. The sauce is pretty thick now, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the burner. These they feel a little bit more crunchy, still pliable, very hot, but they still smell like they were made in a factory versus handmade. Handmade is always better, guys. If I knew how to make tortillas, I would have made them for you on camera, but I don't. I'm gonna cover these with a napkin so the heat can stay in as much as it possibly can with a napkin. And let's start cleaning up. That's it, everything is ready. I'm gonna plate everything and then I'm gonna snap my fingers and come back. So 1, 2, 3. All right guys, so we're back. These are the tacos. It has chicken, the slaw, fried onions. The right one is the tortilla that I made on the stovetop, and it has a tapatio spicy mayonnaise. And then the left one is the microwave tortilla with the sriracha mayonnaise. So let's get the show on the road. Okay, so right off the bat, the tortilla from the stovetop is crunchier than the one from the microwave. The flavor on the tapatio spicy mayonnaise is a lot stronger than the one from the sriracha. It's not spicy at all, but I can taste that salsa more than I can taste the sriracha. The chicken comes through really good. It's got like an Asian zing to it, but the cilantro, once you get to the cilantro, it kind of overpowers the chicken. So I probably leave out garnishing with more cilantro. Just stick with what's in in the slaw. It's very little. Overall, I can't really taste the onion, so I'd probably add more, the crunchy onions, the crispy ones. But it's really good. I definitely prefer the stovetop tortilla, so I won't be microwaving tortillas anymore, ever again. Okay guys, well thank you for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get the guys ready for dinner. I'm gonna finish my plate. We gotta get that thumbnail also. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys here for episode 9 in a few days. Toodaloo.